Here's what my first potato bed looks like. It's fairly clay heavy soil, so I've worked a fair amount of straw into it here last fall and this spring to loosen the soil up and add a little organic matter into it. Just in a few minutes here I'm going to start planting some of my potatoes. Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. We were out hunting earlier this morning, and now this afternoon we're doing a little planting. And I know with everything that's been going on, there's a lot of new folks into gardening, and I wanted to explain a old principle in planting that I'm not sure if everybody knows about, especially the folks that are just getting into gardening. And what that is planting by the moon, or planting by the moon phases. And it's real old farmer's almanac type principle, and I try to honor it every year with at least some of my planting. I don't always do it 100% because I do stagger plants. Sometimes I can't quite make it happen 100% of the time. But basically what it is during the dark of the moon, you plant your root vegetables like your potatoes, your carrots, your onions. And that's what I'm actually doing here today. Is I'm planting my potatoes. We're a few days away from new moon right now, so this is the perfect time to go ahead and do this. Your root vegetables, like I said, your onions, your carrots, your potatoes, the stuff that grows underground, your beets, your radishes, those type of things, you would plant in the waning moon, between full and the new moon, as the moon is getting smaller. And on the flip side of the coin, the stuff that grows above ground, like your tomatoes, your peppers, corn, that kind of stuff, you want to plant in the light of the moon, which would be from new moon to the full moon, as the moon's getting bigger every night. And that's basically, or the waxing moon, that is basically planting by the moon cycles or the moon phases. And today I am putting these guys here in the ground. These guys look like a real jungle mess, but I'm telling you, these guys are raring to go. These are actually potatoes that I grew from last year, and I stored them all winter long in a winter window box that I made with straw. I actually made a video of that. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to see how I went about making that. But these guys are going to go in the ground here, and they're going to get planted, and it's going to be my first batch of potatoes for the year, and then we're going to do some onions hopefully tomorrow. And we still got a couple of days to get these root vegetables in the ground before the new moon. So I just wanted to share this old-time principle with you guys. Thought maybe you'd get a little information out of it. But if you get a chance, you can look it up on Old Farmer's Almanac, I'm sure, where it'll probably explain it a little better and put a little of the scientific information in for you as well. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is Modern Refugee. I appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys are getting a little information, a little entertainment out of my videos, and you guys have a great day.